Welcome, this is Johnny, $5 Dividends. Today we're going to talk about how I earned $1,547 yearly investing in QDTE after a year and a half with $5 a day. QDTE is an ETF from Roundhill. It mirrors the NASDAQ 100, the QQQ. That is what it mirrors. This is a distribution rate, which is 30.42%. It is a high-yielding ETF, which is a good and a bad thing. I'm going to take you to my Robinhood to show you what it's done for me since August of 2024. That's QDTE. I currently hold 109.46 shares. The average cost is $35.49. And it is currently at $30.70. So I do have a total return before dividends of minus $524.39, which is a 13.50 loss. This is my recurring investment that I've had since August 19th of 2024. As you can see, the pricing has gone down on this. The ETF, because the yield is so high, it is paying out so much in dividends that what it's called the NAV, the net asset value of this ETF, has gone down. But as you can see, if I continue what I'm doing, I'm going to invest $37.79 by August 19th of 2026. And that's my recurring investment. I just upped it. I'm going to have to change my title name because this is now $6 a day into QDTE. That is what's in the fund. And my recurring buys, that was my previous dividend. And now I'm going to take you to my dividend log to show you all the dividend. Well, let me show you all my dividends. This is going all the way back to August of 2024. It's a weekly payer. So I started 40 cents in August, ended 2024 getting $28.81 a month. In December 2025 ended with a huge distribution. It's like $175 from QDTE to end the year. I think because they had extra money left over, they had the big dividends. So I collected a total of $251.37. And in January, the first distribution was huge as well. I think that was also $170. So it is currently $200.72. For 2025, I received a total of $806.81. And so far for January, it's $200.72. And if you go back to my positions, this is QDTE. That is my current shares. That is what the average cost of my shares are. That's the share price currently. It did have a pretty good day today. The distributions for the end of December and the beginning of January did affect the NAV, and the share price took a hit. As you can see, my market return is minus $530.88, but my total return is $525.20. That's my market return is minus 1367, and my total return is 13.52%. You get into QDTE for the dividends, the passive income, not share price appreciation, even though it is tracking the NASDAQ 100. I do also have QQQI, which also tracks the NASDAQ 100. That captures more of the share price appreciation, and that's a monthly pair. But as you can see, that's The current dividend yield, which is 48.82%, my yield on cost is taking a hit just because of the losses in my market value. And that actually, my a little incorrect. There's actually a bigger amount of passive income for the year that I'm scheduled to get, which would be 1551.05. It's 43.81% of my total income for my taxable account, and my total dividends received so far 1,056.08, and the annual shares that the DRIP, my dividend reinvestment, will give me will be almost 51. Thank you for watching.